Let's kick things off with a chuckle-worthy story from the quirky town of Dollarville. Meet Betty, a woman who loved saving money more than cats love catnip. She'd iron dollar bills to make them last longer, and had a piggy bank that was more secure than Fort Knox. Then there was her neighbor Dave, who believed spending money was a sport. He once bought a gadget just because it was advertised by a guy riding a unicycle. One day, inspired by a financial podcast that Betty accidentally played on loudspeaker because free entertainment, they decided to venture into business. Their idea? Edible business cards. Crazy, right? But as it turns out, networking events were never more delicious. Betty learned that investing could be as satisfying as saving, and Dave discovered the joy of making money in the most unexpected ways. Dollarville still talks about the duo who added a taste to finance. Hey there, wealth warriors! Welcome back to Dividend and Conquer, your favorite channel where we make finance fun and easy to understand. Today, we're setting off on an exciting journey through the world of money and investing. And the best part? No need to plow through complicated finance books. Think of us as your financial guides, here to lead you through the jungle of money matters without putting you to sleep. So strap in with your belts of cash, because we're about to zoom into 12 amazing secrets about making and keeping money. These aren't just any tips. They're the kind that will make your bank account jump for joy. Get ready to chuckle, learn, and feel your excitement grow as we transform the way you think about money. Let's dive into the world of smart investing with a smile on our faces and the jingle of coins in our pockets. Let's start with number 1. Embrace the art of failing forward. Ever heard the saying, "To win big, you've got to risk big"? It's the gospel truth in the world of finance. All successful investors, from Warren Buffett to the newbie on Wall Street, know that risk is the middle name of reward. Think of Thomas Edison. If he feared failure, we'd all still be using candles. So take calculated risks, embrace failures as stepping stones, and watch your wealth grow. Remember, every financial titan has a portfolio of lessons learned from risks that didn't pan out. Embrace these lessons as your secret arsenal in the war on mediocrity. 2. It's not what you make, it's what you keep. Surprise, surprise! Earning big bucks isn't the end game, keeping them is. Picture this. Alex, the big spender, versus Sam, the savvy saver. Fast forward a few years, and who do you think is lounging on the beach of financial freedom? You guessed it, Sam. It's all about smart money management, folks. It's crafting a lifestyle that balances joy today with security tomorrow. Remember, a fat salary is less impressive if it's gone with the wind come year end. 3. Budgeting, your financial compass. Let's talk about budgeting, the unsung hero of financial success. Think of it as your GPS in the jungle of expenses. Without it, you're just wandering aimlessly. But with it, every dollar has a purpose, a mission, a destiny. So, embrace budgeting like it's your best buddy. It's not about restricting your life, it's about maximizing your funds. With a budget, you're the conductor of your financial orchestra, ensuring every note hits just right. 4. Automate to accumulate. Imagine waking up to a world where bills pay themselves, and your savings account grows while you sleep. Welcome to the magic of financial automation. Set those bills on autopilot and watch your worries fly away. This isn't just about convenience, it's about building wealth systematically. By automating, you remove the temptation to overspend, ensuring your future self is always getting their cut first. Loving these secrets? Don't forget to hit subscribe and join the Dividend and Conquer family for more financial wisdom. Number 5. Set goals, score goals. Without financial goals, you're like a ship without a rudder. Set those goals high, and suddenly, every decision has a direction. It's about turning someday into this day. Goals give you a target, a reason to wake up excited every morning. They turn the abstract idea of wealth into concrete milestones you can reach and celebrate. 6. Millionaire mindset. Think big, win big. Millionaires aren't just rich in money, they're rich in mindset. It's about seeing beyond the horizon and making moves that matter in the long run. Want to join the club? Start thinking like a member. This mindset isn't just about accumulating wealth. It's about cultivating the habits and thought patterns that make wealth inevitable. It's a combination of confidence, long-term planning, and the guts to make bold moves. 7. Diversify. Don't put all your financial eggs in one basket. Ever heard of not putting all your eggs in one basket? That's diversification in a nutshell. It's about spreading your financial wings across different investments. So, when one market sneezes, your portfolio doesn't catch a cold. It's the savvy investor's safety net. By diversifying, you're not just investing. You're building a financial fortress that can withstand market tremors. 8. Break free from the sunk cost fallacy. Don't let past investments chain your future decisions. It's like staying in a bad movie just because you've paid for the popcorn. Cut your losses, move on, and make better choices. This is about embracing the future, not being shackled by the past. The sunk cost fallacy is a financial mirage. Walk past it to the oasis of rational decision-making. 9. Dream big, achieve big. Small dreams get small results, but big dreams, they're the seeds of great achievements. Think of all the greats. Elon Musk, Oprah, Steve Jobs. They didn't just dream, they dreamed big. Their dreams weren't just fantasies, they were blueprints for staggering success. Let your dreams be as boundless as your potential and as detailed as a master architect's plans. 10. The time is now. Start young, retire younger. Why wait till you're old and gray to enjoy wealth? Start building your empire now. With smart strategies and a dash of daring, you can fast-track your way to financial freedom. The key is to start investing, start learning, start experimenting. Time is the most valuable asset in your wealth-building arsenal. Use it wisely and watch compounding do its magic. 11. The silent earnings of passive income. Passive income, the sweet melody to a financier's ear. It's about making money while you sleep, play, or sip cocktails on the beach. Diversify into passive streams and watch your wealth wave grow. This isn't just earning, it's earning smart. Passive income streams are like faithful pets, bringing you financial rewards without the constant need for attention. 12. Feedback, the North Star of business success. Last but not least, always seek and value feedback. It's like having a compass in the ever-changing landscape of business. It guides you, corrects you, and keeps you on the path to success. It's the breakfast of champions. Gorge on it, digest it, and let it nourish your decision-making skills. Feedback is your roadmap in the wilderness of the market. Follow it to find your treasure. And there you have it, folks. 12 power-packed wealth secrets to revolutionize your financial journey. Got any thoughts or experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. Remember, we are not financial advisors, and the content presented in this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Always consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. And if you enjoyed this financial feast, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more money magic on Dividend and Conquer. Until next time, keep conquering.